JackingMaster review. That is what we'll be checking out in this video. Hey guys, my name is Saurabh and this channel is all about latest product reviews, tips and tricks on affiliate marketing and lot more. So in a nutshell, a JackingMaster is a cloud-based application that is going to help you in creating your YouTube videos. So with JackingMaster, you can create titles, description, tags, and you can basically then use them in your YouTube videos. So there are different templates which are already there, and you just have to use the templates, just edit them, and you will have a ready to go tags, description, titles for your YouTube videos. And you can use these for your review videos or product videos, personal videos, wherever, whatever you're doing on YouTube. You can use JackingMaster to accomplish that task. And if you are still thinking about starting with YouTube, then in 2020 and beyond, video marketing is the main thing. So if you are still not doing video marketing, I highly recommend you start considering video marketing and start using it in your business. And this particular application is going to help you, and along with my bonuses which I have crafted especially for you guys. And through my bonuses, I have covered the things which are missing in this particular product. So if this is something that interests you, please make sure you watch this video towards the end, as I'll be showing you what is there inside the members area. I'll be showing you my bonus page which I've crafted for you guys. I'll be telling you about the price point of JackingMaster, and finally I'm going to give you my verdict on JackingMaster. So without a further ado, let's jump straight into the members area of JackingMaster, and let me show you around what we have. So this is how the members area will look like once you log into your dashboard. And on the left side you will see this option of title profiles. Here, from here, you can create different titles for your videos. So as you can see, there are some built-in templates which you can use, or you can also use your own text here. And so not only you can put in the main title, you can also put in the second part of the title. Let's say you are doing like JackingMaster review, and then the second part could be, do not miss out on my bonuses, or make sure you pick up my bonuses, or something like that. So that is the second part of the title, which you can also use. As you can see, there are different built-in templates available which you can use. You cannot edit these templates, but you can always add your own. Next comes the description. See, the description part is very important for YouTube, as that will give the indication to YouTube algorithm about what the product is all about and what you are going to do, what you are giving in that product. So here you can just start with putting your link. Again, you can add your own text, and you have the training as well, which you're going to get. So this is like the text for the training, and here you can put in the product description. Again, all these are built-in templates which I'll show you how you can use them. Then you can put in the keywords. So these are very helpful if you're doing the review videos like what I'm doing. And you can basically just fill in all the details. And if you need to put in the tags, tags are very important. Again, you can put in the tags from here, and then all you need to do, just click on generate after filling in all the information. And here you can start with the name of your product. So let me just do it. Test affiliate link. You can just put in the link here. You can choose the title. Let's say you want to do it something like this. The second part of the title you can choose from the built-in templates, or once you put in your own text, it will start appearing in this list. And here you can put in the link which you have put in on the top. the YouTube training part. Again, this is the link which you're going to put in, and you can put in the description. These are the keywords. See, I'm just showing you how it is going to work, and you can all customize. You can customize each and everything, and you can also add in the disclaimer, which is very important, and then tags, and then what you can do, just click on preview, and everything will start appearing over here like this. And then once you're happy with the what you have put in, you can just copy the title, copy the description, copy the tags, and put that in your YouTube video. So this is what basically a Jacking Master does. This is going to help you out with the built-in templates, because once you're starting out with YouTube, you may not know what to put in the title, what to put in the description and everything. And slowly, once you start learning the things, you will be able to do it. And with the built-in templates inside Jacking Master, this will help you. And there are a few things which are missing in this product, so that I have covered through my bonuses. The link to my bonus page is in the description down below, and once you click on that link, you will come to this particular bonus page. And you need to make sure that you pick up your bonuses before this countdown timer runs out. So the number one bonus which I'm going to give you is it's my own course, Aerial Assassin. So you will get Aerial Assassin course and all the upgrades with it. Bonus number two, I'm going to give you a business breakthrough session. That is going to be 60 minutes of one-to-one call with me, where we can discuss about anything related to your online business. If you're stuck somewhere, we can discuss about anything. So that is basically a 60-minute time with me. Bonus number three, it's again a training on $0 to $100 in 24 hours. So this method involves YouTube. So this will teach you how you can monetize the YouTube part. So you are going to use Jacking Master to create the videos, to optimize the title and its description and everything, but you should also know how to monetize that. So that is going to be covered inside this training. Bonus number four, you're going to get another software product, that is Aurora, and you're also going to get the license rights with Aurora. Again, this is related to YouTube, as to how you can siphon other people traffic and all. Bonus number five, I'm going to give you another product of mine, that is List Lariat, and not only the front end, I'm also going to give you all the upgrades with it. So this is the list building course, where you will learn how to build an email list for yourself by giving out free stuff. Bonus number three, I'm going to give you a bonus vault of 40 high quality products. So these are products which you can use to give away through your YouTube videos to build your list. And these are very high quality products which you can also use, which you can also go through if you want. Bonus number seven. So I'm going to give you my training course on how to get started with YouTube. So it's a video training course that will teach you how you can get started with YouTube, how you need to create videos, how you need to create channels. So basically, whatever which is not covered inside Jacking Master, this is covered inside this training from my side. Bonus number eight, I'm going to give you another product, which is metatags, and you are also going to get all the upgrades with it. So again, it's a very unique method of doing affiliate marketing. So you will get it for absolutely free as a part of my bonus. Bonus number nine, you're going to get 7-minute sales machine. So basically, this is a training product on how to get started with CPA networks and how you can literally promote them using YouTube. So guys, these are all my bonuses, and all you need to do, just click on any of the button on this page to make your purchase. The product will be live on December 16th. And now talking about the price point for Jacking Master, so how much it is going to cost you. So the front end of Jacking Master is only going to cost you $12.95. So in $12.95, you are going to get access to the software and all of my 9 bonuses. And next, there are few upgrades as well, which are optional upgrades. If you want, you can go ahead with these upgrades, otherwise you can skip them. Let me just quickly go through these upgrades. So the first upgrade is the producer for $25.95. That is the unlimited custom phrases per section. So basically, it's going to remove the limits what are there inside JackingMaster. Upgrade number two is the agency license for $95. So basically, you can use this as an agency and sell this service for your different clients. Then we have the upgrade number three is the reseller license for $195. So basically, you can sell this software as your own and keep the 100% profit across the entire funnel. So these are the different upgrades and the different price points for JackingMaster. And now talking about if this product is a good fit for you or not. As I told you, video marketing is the future, and if you're not doing video marketing, you should highly consider about doing video marketing. And this product is going to help you to get started. And along with my bonuses, you don't need anything else for the YouTube at least. Rest, I'm there to help you out if you're stuck somewhere. So, guys, I hope you got some value out of this video. And if you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments down below. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in my next video. Cheers.